Hey, the original Spider-Man trilogy is playing in theaters. no?
Yes, you're
Yeah,
right.
dude.
You are 110% right.
Okay, how are we starting?
दे दे प्यार दे प्यार दे प्यार दे 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 प्यार दे
2. Nice.
मिल गया bro.
Nice. Very good. Very good. Welcome to another episode of Pop Conversation by
स्नेह Aneja.
and
Abbas moment.
that was the most impromptu version of an intro we've ever come up with.
I swear.
And two of us said 2 together
Because 2 no.
because of course.
अभी दे दे प्यार दे 3 होती तो फिर मैं भी बोलता साथ में.
Oh, nice. 2, nice. That sorry for that awful beginning, guys. Welcome to another episode. We have a great one planned, okay? Because Snehal and I have seen another one of the greatest movies of this year.
Yes.
Okay, not forgettable at all. What is a movie that you will think about the second you walk out of the theater till the moment you die?
Yeah.
You were thinking about how fucking mediocre that movie was. Because it's the time, guys. That's the order of the times. Mediocre films.
Bollywood has been quite mediocre.
Yeah.
I think this is the year of mediocrity.
भाई लास्ट ईयर भी हमने यही सोचा था.
But last year then क्या हुआ था last year? जो इस साल
Last year was also mediocre. This year feels mediocre. Yeah.
Because I
Mediocre
remember,
rest will be next year.
Because I remember हम लोग जब last year 2024 का नवंबर दिसंबर में हम कोई एपिसोड रिकॉर्ड कर रहे थे तो आई रिमेंबर वी वर हैविंग द सेम कन्वर्सेशन कि पूरा 2024 जो है वो काफी फीका गया है. होपफुली 2025 बेटर जाएगा. Well, here we are, guys. Here we are,
in November of 2025.
We're talking about the same thing again.
1 year later.
1 year. I swear, dude.
So guys, again, few things we're gonna do on this episode. We're gonna firstly talk about Dede Pyar De 2, okay? Then we're gonna talk about something about some movies are getting split into 2 parts and all. It's very bizarre.
Yes.
Movies that have no business. If it's the first part, why are you announcing that it's already gonna be a 2-parter? If there's no hype for already, like, you know,
True.
for that whole franchise or something.
Also,
Why do that?
one of the most important movies का ट्रेलर आ चुका है और वो भी इसी फ्राइडे रिलीज होने वाली है.
It's a classic franchise movie.
Classic
Yes.
franchise.
Of course, we're talking about Masti 4
The original cast is returning, guys.
with additional players. In
Arshad Varsi, yes.
and Nargis
Yeah.
Fakhri.
Nargis
right?
Fakhri, yes.
Yeah, Nargis
Yeah,
Fakhri.
right.
In case you didn't know, it was Masti 4. The song spells it out. पहले थी मस्ती,
फिर हुई ग्रैंड मस्ती, फिर ग्रेट ग्रैंड
Grand
मस्ती,
Masti,
अब हो गई मस्ती 4.
Shit, that should have been the beginning. Missed opportunity.
Bro, I think पिछले एपिसोड में भी बात करी थी. किसी ने उसकी ट्रेलर को रिप्लाई मतलब ट्वीट किया है कि भाई क्या ये घटिया ट्रेलर क्यों बनाते हो ऐसी पिक्चरें.
मस्ती 4 ना?
हाँ मस्ती 4 एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. तो मिलाप जवेरी एक्चुअली रिप्लाइड कि इसमें विमेन्स पर्सपेक्टिव भी है. आप प्लीज मूवी को ट्रेलर पे मत जज करिए.
So you're saying women will be the turkeys in this time? What is happening?
So basically the plot of the film is apparently कि there's this thing called love visa.
Oh, like a love pass.
like a
hall
pass, yes.
The hall
कि
pass.
हाँ आपको मतलब शादी के बाद अगर आपको एक
समझ गया. टेलर में अरशद वारसी वही बात कर रहा है.
वही बात कर रहा है.
What, like if you want to cheat on your wife?
हाँ but that's like once in a
but-
year.
Yeah, but
So your
it's
wife
not.
will give you a visa.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's a love visa.
Oh,
It's a hall pass.
Yeah.
It's not a love
Abbas
visa.
is like suddenly I love the film. It's a 5
You
out of
know
5
this
for me.
concept.
I watched the first Masti in the theater, I think.
Yeah.
फर्स्ट वाली
Yeah,
तो
yeah, yeah.
सही थी ना.
Yeah.
फर्स्ट वाली तो ठीक थी.
I watched it in theater with my parents. Very awkward.
For real?
I was in 7th standard. My parents didn't know what movie it was. Masti is the name of the movie. It was a nice children-friendly movie.
मस्ती और क्या कूल है हम ये दोनों मैंने
Yeah.
थिएटर में देखी
भाई
थी.
क्या कूल है मैंने आज तक नहीं देखी.
क्या
and
cool
I'm
है
very proud of it.
is one of my mother's favorite movies.
What?
She loves Kya Cool Hai. I'm not even kidding.
Maybe we should watch Masti
she's
4
seen
with
it.
her and we can have auntie on the show.
Oh, not a
to
chance.
review.
Not a chance, dude. Don't talk about Masti 4 with my mom.
Imagine artist like
Yeah.
कि
You know-
बहुत अच्छा recall value था
Yeah, yeah.
film का.
Dude, already, you know,
Nostalgia.
Nostalgia.
already I get comments कि whenever Kirti on an episode, I am like a little subdued. If my mother's on the episode, dude. मैं चुप रहूंगा पूरी. Okay.
But अच्छा love visa for example चलो.
Can I recall one joke I just remembered from क्या cool है हम?
Okay, please.
Where Ritesh Deshmukh is in a car with a girl and the girl says कि मुझे मुस्लिम लड़कों की लंबाई और गुजराती लड़कों की चौड़ाई बहुत पसंद है. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? तो रितेश देशमुख says नसीरुद्दीन शाह.
Abbas,
ह्यूमर तो था.
Abbas is gonna watch that movie, dude. Nice. Yeah. अरे सर मेरे को सेक्स करना है सर. इस उम्र में सेक्स करोगे तो मौत हो सकती
हो
है.
जाएगी.
64 का
Yeah.
joke है.
ये तो मौत हो सकती है. हाँ तुम मर जाए साली. That's what Abbas likes.
No,
That's
that was
how
a-
the trailer starts
Yes,
actually.
that's
I said that's a reworking of a Norm Macdonald joke, which he said on Conan. You guys can check
By
it
the
out.
way,
Yeah.
Abbas asked me to replay the trailer. He
To
was
see
like,
that
"अरे
number-
ये जरा
name of producers."
rewind
so
करिए.
I missed a joke.
So the whole trailer?
yeah. That's the whole joke. You know.
अगर I don't know if you're gonna keep this in or not. अगर आपको हॉल पास मिलता है, आप रिलेशनशिप में हो, ठीक है, आपको हॉल पास मिलता है
With a celebrity?
विद ऑब्वियसली, क्योंकि नॉर्मल लोग का आप बात करोगे तो वो मारेगी आपको.
Yeah. Tabu.
सीधा ही छूटते हैं.
क्या?
Dude,
What did you say?
Tabu is such a great answer. His girlfriend can't even get upset. Love it,
Bro,
Abbas.
I have had
Love
this
it.
conversation with a partner. I said tabu and this was her exact
Exact,
reaction. Is like-
right.
She was like, I
Exactly.
might just join in
Yeah,
actually.
dude.
What the fuck?
Hey, how do you get upset with Tabu, man? Shit. It's Abbas, Ajay Devgan and Tabu, dude. That's the threesome.
But then Ajay Devgan would be in the entire process he'd be like,
Yeah, just staring at Abbas, dude.
what's your hall pass, celebrity hall pass?
I would never. What are you
It's
guys,
okay, man.
crazy?
Kirti is never gonna watch this.
Kirti is my hall pass. I'll finally have sex with my wife.
I think we know, right? It's
What?
who it is. You mentioned this actress
Yeah,
before.
I mean,
Have you?
Sania Malhotra is what you're
Sania-
suggesting.
oh, acha, okay.
But dude, you shouldn't just put this out in the world because Sania Malhotra might just watch
Might
this
just
episode.
watch this episode.
And then she's like, that's one podcast I'm never going on.
So Tabu will not watch this.
Tabu is not coming on a show if a bald man
A bald guy?
yeah, it's like
Excuse
a
me?
bald
The
obese
bald head,
gentleman.
The same bald head is the one which Samira Reddy took a shine on. So you never know.
क्या?
That is true. You never know.
Samira Reddy when she came
Kissed
on
him, dude.
has
She
it,
kissed his forehead.
and like
अच्छा, wow, dude, nice, good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So anything can happen. He's
But
right.
I am not in a relationship, so मेरे लिए everything is a hall pass.
His hall pass will be
अरे, but-
Tarzan the Wonder Car, the car.
The car.
पर कोई तो होगा जैसे celebrity.
सारे भाई.
अरे तो मना
अरे
मना
assume
थोड़ा
करना,
करूंगा
मैं भी
मैं.
नहीं हूँ रिलेशनशिप में.
बस.
Bro, ऋतिक रोशन.
That
हाँ
makes
तो पहले
sense, yeah.
1 घंटा पहले बोलना था ये, ठीक है?
Exactly, yeah.
ये मैं सारा कट कर दूंगा, फिर ऋतिक रोशन ऐड कर दूंगा.
Okay, guys, let's
The
get to
way-
it. हाँ, sorry. go
yeah,
ahead.
no, just continue. I love the way he showed us that swimming reel of Hrithik, like,
That makes
अब देख क्या stroke ले, oh, boy.
Yeah, great. There's a swimming reel of Hrithik available,
Yeah, we put
which
it on,
Snail has the hots for. We said this last time we didn't put the reel.
We didn't put it, but I think it was
copyright आ गया था
copyrighted.
उसका.
ऋतिक की रील में कॉपीराइट
Yeah,
आया.
copyright
Hey,
आया.
ऋतिक हमारा पॉडकास्ट देख रहा है यार. Hey, what are you guys talking about me? My God.
पीछे किसी ने कमेंट किया है, वो रणबीर वाले एपिसोड में मैंने वो वाला बात नहीं बोला कि वो जब वो गाना आता है बजना है सीनों का तो वो पूरा ऐसा शॉर्ट वर्ड खोल के नीचे होता है तो इतनी पतली कमर दिखती है. नीचे किसी ने कमेंट किया है वो टाइम कोड लिख के, ब्रो व्हाई आर यू सो गे.
Apt question. It's apt. It makes sense. Okay, moving on, guys. Let's get to it.
हाँ, दे दे प्यार दे 2.
That's gonna be the main part of this episode because it's a movie that we have to spend hours and hours. You know, like
Nuanced.
taking away the layers, the nuanced takes,
Nuanced takes,
on
yes.
family life and your bond with parents and the love that families share and other things.
And not to forget that they are very educated, progressive,
Modern people.
modern
Yeah.
parents.
Yeah, correct. They have no problems with anything.
तो
Okay.
पहले प्लॉट बता दें क्या?
हाँ, मोटा मोटा अपने actually first thoughts पहले तो. What did you think?
I didn't like it that
You
much.
didn't like it at all?
हाँ, I didn't like it.
Like, were there certain areas
Below
in the movie?
average of sorts.
But were there
Like
certain
I
parts
really
of the
liked Madhavan. I liked Javed Jafri.
You like Javed Jafri?
Bro, Javed Jafri was good in the film.
It was alright actually. It was passable, yeah. For what the role he
I
did.
think जो अजय देवगन के जितने बिट्स हैं वो सारे टॉलरेबल हैं ही इसलिए क्योंकि
जावेद जाफरी is a
जावेद
long-
जाफरी कॉमेडी टाइमिंग उसके साथ
Sure,
बहुत अच्छी
fair,
है.
fair,
That's
fair.
pretty much it. नहीं तो अजय देवगन I don't know how and why he said yes to a role or a script like this where he's literally just like a side character in his own film.
Even then, I think that he could have added more by just
Sure.
looking
I
alive, dude,
completely
and not looking
agree,
like a
dude. I
dead body on
completely
screen. Ajay Devgan has started doing this. He looks dead in half.
Like
the
it
scene
felt
now.
like an R Madhavan and Sargun कह रहा हूँ.
सर्वगुण संपन्न.
यार I fully get
Rakul
confused between Sargun and Rakul Preet.
Oh, I get confused between Rakul Preet and Mrunal Thakur.
Mrunal तो नहीं. I
Yeah.
fully Mrunal could be a good hall pass by the way. Just
Okay. Cool.
भाई तू अजय देवगन रख अपना हॉल पास, ठीक है? Let's go with अजय देवगन.
Ajay Devgan, yes. अच्छा चलो anyway, but
Actually,
it felt
Abbas, Tabu, you Ajay Devgan, and then you both sleep with each other.
but क्या बोल रहा था मैं? हाँ, it felt like an R Madhavan film and Rakul Preet film. More than like a Rakul Preet
Yeah,
and
I agree.
and,
It is
and
more
Ajay
that.
Devgan film.
It is more that. So what I would say is, I had zero expectations. I had like negative expectations from the
Of
movie,
course.
right? Because I've not seen the first movie.
Oh, you've not?
No.
First
And
one is way better than this.
Is it?
Yeah.
Kirti told me that that was a forgettable movie. As is this movie. Extremely forgettable. It's not a movie you're
So then
thinking
why
about
do you
after.
think it got a sequel?
Yeah, it's because I think so. Right now, Ajay is going through a phase where his star power isn't at the high that he wants it to be at.
Bro, I think उसको पता है कि उसकी स्टार पावर इतने हाई पे है कि वो कुछ भी करेगा, people will go to the theaters.
नहीं bro, इतना तो इसका मूवी का बजट काफी हाई है. This is projected to earn like 80 or something, dude, or 80 or 90 or something.
हाँ मतलब
according to KRK.
लोग कह रहे हैं कि बजट जो है वो कर लेगी, ब्रेक इवन कर लेगी, रिकवर कर लेगी.
That's not why people make movies, dude. People make movies to be in like twice the profit, if not more.
Fair, but so दे दे प्यार दे one was way better than this for sure.
Okay.
And I think
So this is basically like a meet the Fockers, meet the parents kind of situation, right?
Yeah.
हाँ
Where one you're meeting the girl's parents and then you're meeting the guy's parents,
The
or
guy's
vice
parents.
versa.
हाँ.
Yeah, it's basically that. So yeah, I would say anyway, extremely forgettable. The last so there is a certain twist that arrives in like the last say 30.
bro,
35
I
minutes in the
saw
movie.
that
Or
twist
20
coming from
minutes.
like a mile away.
Yeah, I was pissed because I didn't predict that.
It
twist
was
coming.
very
So I was
predictable.
pissed at the character. Okay, we'll get to that also.
Yeah.
I was pissed at Rakul Preet's character because I didn't anticipate the twist. So I was like, what the fuck is she doing? This doesn't make any sense. What the fuck? What a horrible person gaslighting this Ajay Devgan's character this entire movie. And then you realize, oh, okay, now it makes sense.
No,
And
it's
that's the
still still she's gaslighting the entire thing.
Oh, it is
Just say what
gaslighting
the
doesn't
twist
stop.
is.
Gaslighting doesn't stop.
हाँ, पूरी पिक्चर का अगर वन लाइन
Yeah,
है
yeah.
तो वो gaslighting ही है.
Yeah, for sure. But it's also three guys talking about it, so take it.
But that doesn't change the fact
That's
that
true.
कि वो gaslighting
It is
कर रही है.
extreme levels of
Can I
gaslighting.
guess what the twist is?
Yes, please.
Spoiler alert, guys.
आपको स्टोरी बता देते प्यार दे 2 की.
नहीं, but regardless,
मुझे
let
तो
him guess
बताइए
it.
तुम
It's
लोग
fun.
ने.
It's more fun if
She's
he guesses it.
pregnant?
है?
Oh, no.
No, she's not pregnant.
Okay.
अजय देवगन is pregnant.
That's the movie, yes. It's also Junior.
I might have to see it
It's also
after all.
Arnold Schwarzenegger Junior.
और एंड में आयुष्मान खुराना आता है मोनोलॉग देने कि कैसे
Okay.
ये मुमकिन हुआ.
No, I don't know what this story.
So-
वही है ना, older guy, younger girl.
हाँ, ओल्डर गाय यंगर गर्ल
Yeah.
This time she
बेसिकली
goes to-
डिकैप्रियो की बायोपिक है. तो वो अपने पेरेंट्स को मिलवाने जाती है रकुल प्रीत इसको अजय देवगन
Yeah.
को कि भाई ये
Wow,
जो
can
है
you imagine how many times DiCaprio's girlfriends have taken DiCaprio to meet their parents, thinking he's the guy who'll settle, you know?
लाइक तुम्हारा
I'm the
बर्थडे
girl.
कब है? कल. ओह
Oh, sorry. पहले
हमारे
मिलना
पास
था यार।
आज शाम तक का टाइम है दोस्त.
आज शादी कर सकते हो, कर लो जल्दी से खत्म।
कल तुम्हारा सब्सक्रिप्शन
Yes.
ओवर हो रहा है.
And then Mizan, I think, is like the younger guy.
तो वही तो बेसिकली रकुल प्रीत जो है वो आर माधवन के पास मतलब अपने पेरेंट्स के पास लेके जाती है और
Her mother's character also, the actress did a very good job.
Very, very good job. Very good job.
You know,
I
like,
agree.
Her and Madhavan's whatever duo together was quite nice.
सो माधवन की जो एज है,
the name.
अजय देवगन की जो एज है, वो माधवन उससे बस 1 ही साल बड़ा है, 1-1.5 साल बड़ा है. सो जब वो उसको इंट्रोड्यूस कराती है तो देन ही इज लाइक कि भाई यू आर 28, 29, ही इज माई एज, व्हाट इज दिस, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. तो अब पूरी पिक्चर में वो उनको कन्विंस कर रही है कि भाई मेरे लिए ये बंदा सही है और वो कोशिश कर रहे हैं
कि टूट जाए इनका रिश्ता,
कि टूट जाए. एंड वो तोड़वाने के लिए मीजान को बीच में
who is like
throw
a
करते
childhood
हैं.
friend or something.
Got it, yeah.
And ex also.
I mean, it's implied X. They just said they
Implied
fooled
X.
around
हाँ,
once. They didn't
हाँ.
say anything much more than that.
तो वो implied X है कि इनके बीच का फ्लेम वापस से चालू हो जाए. तो पूरी पिक्चर में वो ये चल रहा है. एंड देन उसके बाद मीजान जाफरी की एंट्री ही इंटरवल के बाद होती है एक तो, ठीक है. तो पूरी पिक्चर में ये चल रहा है एंड देन थ्रू सेकेंड हाफ में आपको वो ये ऐसा दिखाते हैं कि इन दोनों के बीच में जो है वो नज़दीकियाँ बढ़ रही हैं, अजय देवगन से दूर हो रही है बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली अजय देवगन इज नॉट बीइंग एबल टू डू द यंग थिंग्स दैट दीज गाइज आर डूइंग एंड एटसेट्रा
That's such a bizarre.
I swear, dude.
There's a whole exchange. Okay, where this part of where he's talking about where Mizan and so Mizan has been introduced. Okay, Madhavan wants to increase the closeness between Rakul Preet's character and Mizan's character. Okay, so he's like, go trekking, go wildlife photography, go dance bar mein jao, like whatever, go to discos and all, fucking have a good time. I sound like such an uncle. Dance bar, discos. Who says that? Go clubbing, go have a good time.
Yeah, you're nearer to Ajay Devgan's age. Yeah, than Mizan's age. Yeah.
For sure, bro. For sure. So anyway, and through all of this, Ajay sees this happening.
Yeah.
Sees her going out of this, and he's just standing there, somber look on his face.
Yeah, bro, and
doing nothing.
He's just looking, and then he's like, वो मेरे पास ही रहेगी, अगर मुझसे दूर जाने लगेगी तो मैं उसके कदम नहीं मोड़ूंगा, एटसेट्रा
He's like, अगर वो जा रही है तो जाने दो.
Right.
अगर तुमसे प्यार करता है तो वो वापस लौट के आएगा.
तो फिर
तो
फिर वो दिखाते हैं कि उनके बीच की जो प्रॉक्सिमिटी है वो बढ़ रही है एंड देन अजय देवगन नाइट वॉक करके वही जेब
और
में
ऐसा गैसलाइट करती है साली रकुलप्रीत बिकॉज याद आ गया मेरे को याद आ गया bro there is this part, okay, so the entire movie Mizan's character doesn't know that Ajay Devgan's character is dating Rakulpreet. Okay, because Madhavan is trying to show Raja is actually my college buddy. Because he doesn't want everyone to know okay, my daughter is dating like such an older gentleman.
Got it,
okay, so he's acting like he's my college buddy. Okay, so Mizan's character calls him uncle the entire movie. Okay, and that's fine, that's fair. Okay, there's one part where they're coming back home from like a late night out. Okay, Rakulpreet gets out and he says, "Uncle," Mizan says to Ajay, "Uncle, सोए नहीं अभी तक?" And Rakulpreet says, "हाँ uncle, सोए नहीं अभी तक?" And Ajay is like, "What the fuck is going on?"
Ajay is like, नहीं नींद नहीं आ रही थी, and then Rakul goes like, मैं अपने पापा की नींद की दवाइयाँ दे दूं क्या आपको? And I'm like, भाई तू किसकी टीम में?
And then Ajay Devgan says, "Okay बेटा, bye, good night."
Bro, next morning they wake up and Mizan अंकल ऊपर खड़े हैं, मतलब अजय देवगन and Mizan goes like, "Uncle," and then he also goes like this. The Zuba Kesari reference. Anyway, so वो उन दोनों की proximity वो बढ़ती जा रही है और अजय को दिख रहा है ये, बट वो अपना बोल चुका है कि मैं इतना महान नहीं हूँ कि मैं इसको जाने दूं, बट अगर ये जाना चाहेगी तो मैं रोकूंगा नहीं. तो अपना नाइट वॉक करके आ रहा है और आके देखता है अपने रूम की तरफ जा रहा है छत पे, तो रकुल और मीजान किस कर रहे हैं, तो उसका वो हो जाता है कि
सड़क जाता
तो चली गई आतामाजी सटक ली.
गुस्सा नहीं होता.
हाँ ठीक है, वो गुस्सा नहीं.
He is also a modern man.
क्योंकि एक्सप्रेशन नहीं देना ना उसने.
हाँ एक्चुअली में पैसे एक्स्ट्रा लगे थे यार, ऐसा थोड़ी.
ठीक है, तो वो
वापस they had to mold the story around his honest
कि exactly
that's smart dude,
एक्सप्रेशन ना देना पड़े. ठीक है ब्रो, द फनी पार्ट इज मीजान उसको डांस करके पटाने की कोशिश कर रहा है एंड देन मीजान चैलेंजेस Camp Ajay to come and dance, but Ajay doesn't come. He sends Javed. He's like, please go and dance. तो anyway, fuck that. तो वो लोग उसको वो छोड़ के चला जाता है वहाँ पे, etc. अब राकुल उसको किसी तरीके से फोन करती है जावेद जाफरी को कि भाई उसको फोमो दे कि मेरी तो शादी हो रही है, ये है वो है. इधर अपने माँ बाप को कह रही है कि भाई मैं शादी कर लूंगी, ये है वो है, मैं तो इससे ही शादी करना चाहती हूँ, etc. मीजान से
बिकॉज एक बार अब टूट गया इनका अजय देवगन का. नाउ शी लाइक जा चुका है रिबाउंड में, चलो मीजान से कर लो.
अजय जा चुका है, ठीक है, अजय लंदन में, ये यहाँ है, ठीक है, चंडीगढ़ में. तो अब इनका ये सब चल रहा है, शादी हो रही है. अब वो फुल गैसलाइट कर रही है पापा को, ऐसा कि डांस कर रही है पर रो रही है. ठीक है, एंड देन शी गोज लाइक कि अपनी उसकी मम्मी उसको समझाने आती है किसी काम को लेके, बट वो अपने पापा से बात कर रही है, बट वो फोन ऑन रखती है. ठीक है, तो वो मुझे खुद पे भरोसा, मुझे खुद पे, ओ ब्रो दैट सीन, दैट इज क्रेजी. मतलब borderline funny. That was the real comedy in the film. ठीक है,
but then again dude, because of that twist that comes, then it suddenly becomes possible because फिर तो acting ही थी, फिर तो acting तो खराब करी.
twist तो पहले बता दिया उसको आपने, फिर
ठीक है, उसको
क्या था twist. ठीक है, तो अब basically वो
Abbas will never guess that twist.
अब वो उधर रो रही है शादी करने के लिए, and then he's like
him and Mizan, her and Mizan were in on it together.
It was her plan the entire time.
Oh damn.
Genius.
भाई this doesn't take half a brain cell to guess. पता है
Hey,
literally.
bhai, don't call me stupid. What the fuck, dude? I get what you mean, dude. What the fuck,
Bro, I'll tell you, पता है किस time पे I you know, so the first time that they are looking at each other and they go inside ना, वो काला पहन के
हाँ,
जब हमें वो
sure.
सजेस्टिवली ये दिखाते हैं कि अब ये लोग सेक्स करने जा रहे हैं अंदर,
हाँ,
ठीक है.
हाँ.
The
And then
moment
the next scene is them waking up.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली तो
Yeah.
वो जब दरवाजा बंद करती है ना कैमरा को देख के, मैंने तभी आकाश को बोला था, मैंने कहा ब्रो अभी अंदर जाएगी, अंदर जाके उसको सब बताएगी, प्लान बनाएगी और फिर गैसलाइट करके अपने बाप को ट्रैक पे लाएगी अकॉर्डिंग टू हर. ब्रो
Very Love Ranjan scenario, actually. I didn't think of that.
वेरी लव रंजन से
That I didn't think of the Love Ranjan
तो
angle, yeah.
पूरी पिक्चर में ना व्हेन शी गोज लाइक, जब वो एक्चुअल हमें तो रियल टाइम में ये दिखा रहे हैं ना कि वो नहीं हो रहा, तो आई वाज एक्चुअली थिंकिंग कि ओ ब्रो लाइक वुड दे एक्चुअली नॉट टेक दैट ट्विस्ट. And in the end, when they reveal that, oh, all this was a plan, bro, I literally had my head in my hand. I was literally sitting like this कि अगर तुम्हारा twist first half से पता लग रहा है,
Bhai, again, only to the extremely intelligent. Okay? For us normies.
क्या बात कर रहे हो आप?
I see, the thing is, like, I didn't see this twist coming. Okay.
Okay.
There are of course other small parts in the movie that you do predict,
Of
as you
course.
do in any Bollywood trope movie, whatever. But this part I did not predict, so I was pleasantly surprised because of the twist. Because I was like, dude, her acting is so bad. Oh, ऐसे कोई रोता है क्या? It looks like fucking fake acting and all. Oh, fucking why is she gaslighting the entire movie?
Yeah.
Okay. This twist, then I was like, oh, okay, now at least this makes sense as a plot, because I was like, okay, she
As a
she
plot, yeah.
बहुत आराम से पट गई मीज़ान
हाँ.
से, शादी भी हो रही है, ऐसे नखरे कर रही है कि तुम तो मेरे लिए फाइट भी नहीं करते, so what if I kissed him, एक बार से प्यार टूट जाता है क्या, all that shit she's
ऊपर
doing.
से ये तो मेरे को समझ ही नहीं आया भाई. ये मतलब सो पहले पार्ट में ना there's this पहले पार्ट
There's this line, I get it.
there's
I
this
know.
scenario.
they वो recap किया ना उन्होंने, मैं समझ
हाँ
गया.
तो वो तबू के साथ like they तबू is having a weak moment.
No, Tabu is his ex-wife.
ठीक है, सो तबू के बारे में सब पता उसको.
वो पता है मेरे को, तभी तो मेरे दिमाग में एक्स वाइफ है वो.
सो तबू इज हैविंग अ वीक मोमेंट एंड क्योंकि अजय देवगन उसका उस टाइम पे हस्बैंड ही है, उस तब तक वो डाइवोर्स पेपर साइन नहीं करते हैं, तो उस टाइम पे वो उसका हस्बैंड ही है, तो दे स्पेंड अ नाइट टुगेदर इवन आफ्टर लाइक 15
But
years of
they banged, or?
separation. मतलब इट इज सजेस्टेड. So it is suggested. ठीक है, तो
Oh, sorry, go ahead.
so this is the first
Yeah,
part and then Rakul जो है basically she understands and you know she's like okay ठीक है, like I understand this will not break our relation. second part में तुम उसको deliberately किस करता हुआ दिखा रहे हो. she is basically she's like कि I want to fuel this in him कि I am kissing you and वो उसको just जलाने के लिए, उसको दिखाने के लिए तो
वो,
स्पेशली
that's
उसको
fucked.
किस कर रही है.
That's fucked.
ठीक है, how is it justified in your head? It is not justified in any case and then वो उसी को गैसलाइट कर रही है.
Bollywood logic.
हाँ
Bollywood
मतलब वो
logic.
तो है ही है, वो
Yeah.
उसी को गैसलाइट कर रही है कि एक बार वो करने से प्यार टूट जाता है क्या, मेरा प्यार सह गया, तुम्हारा प्यार नहीं सहा.
This is a recurring line that they use.
अरे ब्रो तू क्या मतलब, एज इन अगेन आई एम नॉट जस्टिफाइंग कि अजय ने क्या किया है, ठीक है,
Yeah.
बट तुम उसको डेलिबरेटली जस्ट बिकॉज यू हैव दैट वन अप तुम उसको जबरदस्ती किस कर रहे हो दिखाने के लिए.
Yeah.
किसी और तरीके से दिखा दो अगर तुम्हें
करेक्ट.
that's just-
सेक्स दिखा देते हैं. किस क्यों दिखाना है यार, किस वो सब नहीं देखना मेरे को.
So yeah, एक वो चीज मुझे बहुत weird लगी. अब
Okay,
बाकी
fair, I
yeah.
get it. So I'm not defending the movie as like a good movie.
हाँ,
Again,
वो तो-
extremely forgettable. And we will in a week, if we the two of us talk about details about the movie, we will not remember these things because
Sure,
none of it
yeah.
was given important. None of it was important. Nothing. Even Madhavan was good, but he was like Andho mein Kana Raja. You know?
Fair, I agree.
Yeah, he-
like उसके लिए this would have been like कि ओ चलो आज एक just another day of shoot.
Yeah, correct. But in fairness, him and Rakul did look like the two people who did try the hardest. in
Carry the
movie.
film, dude.
Yeah, they
Carry
carried the
the
movie
film.
in, yeah, as best they could.
And so many meta jokes, dude.
Dude,
Like,
yeah,
मतलब-
there was shaitan
शैतान रेफरेंसेस
Yeah.
कि उसने मेरी बेटी पे
वशीकरण?
वशीकरण कर दिया है. माधवन कहता है उसने मेरी बेटी वशीकरण कर दिया है, वो शैतान है, शैतान. ठीक है, दिस वो एक ये है,
Bro,
दूसरा
ज़बां केसरी तो है ही।
ज़बां केसरी है, ठीक है, देन एक वो है
A lot of references of Javed Jafri saying काश ये मेरा बेटा होता,
काश
to
ये मेरा
Mizan."
बेटा होता,
Yeah,
तू
a lot of
टेंशन
those.
मत ले बेटा, हम अपने घर के लिए बहुत अच्छी बहू
बहू
लाएंगे,
लाएंगे, हाँ।
रैंडम
Doesn't make sense.
doesn't make
They
sense in
have-
the film.
These two characters don't have a relationship in the movie or anything.
बस just to like slip it in.
Yeah, just
हाँ,
for sake of
चलो
it. Yeah, correct.
ऐसा you know हम अपने घर के लिए बढ़िया बहू लाएंगे,
Correct.
एक ये था, और एंड आई वाज सरप्राइज्ड, सो इसमें माधवन की बेटी वो बनी है इशिता दत्ता, जो दृश्यम में अजय देवगन की बेटी बनती है. So I was really looking forward to a दृश्यम reference. I was like एक दृश्यम
हो
reference तो
सकता है,
आएगा,
हाँ, correct.
but वो नहीं आया. मुझे एंड में लगा
Dude,
था
I was hoping कि Madhavan, his wife and his daughter would be standing together and someone would go, "Hey, 3 idiots." How did that not happen, dude? What the fuck?
ऊपर से सबसे चोमू कैरेक्टर रकुल प्रीत के भाई का था.
Dude,
Picture में.
absolutely. Dude, actually, when the movie started, for the first 10 minutes, okay, they keep talking to the Rakul Preet's brother.
Yeah.
And
Brother
he's
setup.
on.
And he doesn't never speaks.
Yeah.
So I thought, oh, maybe that's the joke. The entire movie, people talk to him, but he never talks. But I thought, okay, that's an intelligent meta joke in a way. But then, like, just 15 minutes later, they forget that this is a character role that we're trying to give him, and he just continues talking for the rest of the movie, dude. It's very weird. It made no sense. Yeah, all in all, it's a very weird film.
हाँ,
because
मतलब like first
क्या
के तो
ही?
मुकाबले कुछ भी नहीं है.
first film, like, was it miles and stones better? Was it actually an enjoyable watch, or just
Bro,
another passable movie?
इससे तो बहुत बेटर थी पहली वाली. Like I really liked the first one better than this.
How long back was it?
For
6-7
sure.
years back, no? It was
इतना तो नहीं याद मुझे.
2014. I think it was.
हो गए कुछ साल,
2018 or 19 I think.
हो गए कुछ साल आए हुए पहली पिक्चर को, बट वो इससे तो बेटर थी.
Okay, fair enough.
लाइक उसके अंदर एक्चुअली एक स्टोरी, प्रॉपर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स, क्या कहते हैं आप, कंफ्यूजन्स,
2019.
बेटर एक्टिंग, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली तबू उस टाइम पे ये भी अजय देवगन वाज आल्सो गिविंग अ फक टू व्हाट फिल्म्स ही इज डूइंग.
Yeah, sure.
सो उस टाइम पे लाइक यू शो, जैसे पहली वाली में ये लोग बेस भी सेट कर रहे थे ना, तो उसमें वो भी था कि लाइक अजय देवगन इज ऑल्सो अवेयर ऑफ द एज गैप, सो ही ऑल्सो इज अ लिटिल हेजिटेंट टूवर्ड्स दिस रिलेशनशिप एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा, ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. तो पूरा जर्नी है.
Yeah.
इसके अंदर मैं लिटरली आप लगा लो मतलब पूरा पहला हाफ आप हटा सकते हो. इट्स जस्ट गैग्स. स्टोरी तो एक्चुअल में सेकेंड हाफ में स्टार्ट होती है,
Yeah,
जब मीजान आता है.
Yeah, basically that means
उससे पहले तो कुछ है ही नहीं.
correct.
उससे पहले तो
Dude,
पूरी
and also
film-
like, so the movie is split between apparently Chandigarh and London. Okay, but people go between these two cities like it's fucking.
कहाँ बैंड्रा जा रहे हो आप?
हाँ, less than Bandra, bro. It's like अगली गली में जा रहे हो.
Bro, he like there's this one line where Ajay Devgan is like, मैं लंदन चला जाता हूँ कल.
Yeah, and अगले
तुम अपने बच्चे का वो एंजॉय करो, ठीक है, तो लेगा.
अपने
और
nephew
अगले
का।
सीन में वो लंदन में है.
वो ऐसे ही बिंदास. और ऐसा भी नहीं कि अच्छा नो नाउ आई गो बैक एंड स्टॉप द
हाँ.
वेडिंग, वापस इंडिया भी आ गया. ऐसे भी नहीं कि लाइक दैट्स अ टाइम गैप, कुछ दिन कुछ घंटे, नहीं, इमीडिएटली डूड.
बस so many things. Anyway, yeah, I was not very happy with the film.
So that was our take on Dede Pyar De 2, guys. There's not
would
much
you,
to say.
But would
See,
you recommend De De Pyar De 2?
I mean, no, it's not
time pass film.
supremely time pass film. You know, if there's nothing else to watch, if you feel like watching it, if you're so inclined, if you've maybe seen the first one or something, then yeah, give it a watch if you want like a background watch, a second screen watch. It's a decent time pass watch, but don't expect much from it. Don't have expectations.
मतलब I think कहाँ किसी को भी ज़्यादा expectation anyway होगी नहीं film
Dude,
से.
but it's yeah. See, in the sense, it's not कि इतनी घटिया पिक्चर बना दी, कभी मत देखना, वो नहीं है. मतलब वो तो नहीं है, कम से कम. Okay, let's give them credit where it's due, if you can call it that.
कि घटिया रद्दी film
बिल्कुल
नहीं है.
वो तो नहीं है. वो तो सनी
मस्ती
संस्कारी.
4 नहीं है.
वो हाँ, वो परम सुंदरी नहीं है. मस्ती फोर.
बिना हाँ परम सुंदरी, भाई परम सुंदरी याद दिला दी आपने. ब्रो, एक तो प्राइम, भाई परम सुंदरी और बागी 4 सेम वीकेंड पे डाल दिया प्राइम पे. मैंने कहा
हाँ,
भाई
बिकॉज एक देखने के बाद दूसरी भी देखने का मन करेगा.
तू थोड़ा तो बैलेंस करके चल ना. तू 2 गंदा पिक्चर एक साथ, और मतलब हाईली गंदा पिक्चर एक
हाँ,
साथ, dude. अरे और बिलबोर्ड लगा रखा है भाई पूरे अंधेरी में. ये आधा बिलबोर्ड पे परम सुंदरी, आधे पे बागी 4, नीचे प्राइम का ब्रांडिंग.
Yeah.
हमने ब्रो, व्हाई वुड यू
Why
पे
the
फॉर
fuck?
दिस?
Why the fuck does Janvi get so much hype, dude? I don't understand the Janvi hype.
God.
जानवी कहाँ से आ गई?
Dude, परम
अच्छा
सुंदरी-
परम सुंदरी, अरे यार हाँ,
भूल गया तू?
सॉरी. परम सुंदरी बहुत खराब
बहुत
थी,
खराब
मत देखना भाई प्राइम पे. भागी 4 देख लेना एक बारी को. परम सुंदरी
What
मत
about Dede Pyar De for 2 for you?
या मतलब फुल्ली मिसेबल फिल्म, नथिंग, इट एड्स नथिंग. टू द यूनिवर्स हैड नथिंग कि इसको ऐड भी किया जाए कुछ फॉर दैट मैटर. could have been like a better film, better comedy, better writing. I think ऐसा लग रहा है आजकल का जो कॉमेडी का स्तर है वो ये है कि कितने ज़्यादा मेटा जोक्स हम लोग डाल सकते हैं और उतने कितने रियल लाइफ रेफरेंसेस हम डाल सकते हैं. हालांकि दे दे प्यार दे 2 में अगेन इट्स स्टिल कंपैरेटिवली बेटर तरीके से मेटा जोक्स डाले गए हैं. बट लाइक एक टाइम था जब मेटा जोक्स एक्चुअली दे वर फन. नाउ पता है अब पिक्चर देखते हुए ऐसे होता है एक और यार, ठीक है, वो ये हो जाता है. सो इंस्टेड डूड I watched Agra the other day. Dude, screens नहीं मिल रही हैं उस फिल्म को.
What's Agra?
Bro, Agra is this new film, very indie sort of a film. 3 साल पहले बन गई थी.
मामी 2023 में थी.
Yeah, 23, 22.
Probably 22, 23 maybe.
हाँ, मतलब 2-3 साल हो गए हैं इसको बने हुए. कनू बहल की फिल्म है जिसने तितली भी बनाई थी. वो काफ़ी ही मतलब इंडी फिल्म्स ही बनाता है. माई फ्रेंड इज़ द लीड इन द फिल्म, मोहित अग्रवाल. उनका बहुत अच्छा प्ले है. ही डज थिएटर विद मान ऑफ कॉल. उनका बहुत अच्छा प्ले है जो डूबा सो पार, जो अगर आपकी सिटी में हो रहा हो तो डेफिनेटली गो एंड वॉच इट. मैं 4 बार देख चुका हूँ वो प्ले एंड आई थिंक
It's the one with the chits.
नो जो डूबा सो पार इज दैट अमीर खुसरो की लाइफ पे है वो प्ले. एंड हज़रत निज़ामुद्दीन की दरगाह जो दिल्ली में है, अमीर खुसरो और हज़रत निज़ामुद्दीन औलिया की रिलेशनशिप पे है. एनीवे सो आगरा डूड, उस फिल्म को स्क्रीन्स नहीं मिल रही हैं बिकॉज ऑफ दीज बिग रिलीजेस एंड इट्स अ far better nuanced layered film than what we are watching these days on like big screens. I had to like fucking drive 1 hour 15 minutes to catch a show. ठीक है, तो I watched it. Bro, what a fucking film. It doesn't leave you that film. भाई आप वो फिल्म देख के निकलोगे, आपको ऐसा लगता है कि सोसाइटी का मिरर आपके सामने ऐसे रख दिया एंड यू आर लाइक कि भाई you know that this is the reality, but then you just don't अपने माइंड में आप उसको बैक बर्नर पे रखते हो कि हाँ ये होता होगा, कोई बात नहीं, बट क्योंकि हमारी लाइफ में नहीं हो रहा तो हम इस पे ना ध्यान दे तो बेहतर है.
Yeah, like it's like social atrocities kind of.
नहीं, so I'll briefly tell the plot of the film. Agra is basically the protagonist is Mohit Agarwal, जो कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहा है एक सेक्सुअली फ्रस्ट्रेटेड मेल का. ठीक है,
Okay.
so it's a psychosexual thriller drama of sorts, the film, and it's based in the Agra, in the city of Agra. ठीक है, एक घर है जिसमें फादर मदर है, ये है अपना मोहित का कैरेक्टर है, एंड फादर की एक गर्लफ्रेंड है जो साथ रह रही हैं. राइट, ठीक है, तो ये सेटअप है अब. और इसमें मोहित के कैरेक्टर की गुरु नाम है शायद कैरेक्टर का. गुरु की आई एम सॉरी अगर नाम गलत ले रहा हूँ मैं, तो मोहित ही बोलते हैं. मोहित की एक कज़न सिस्टर है जिसको घर पे क्लिनिक खोलना है. सो यू रियलाइज कि कैसे ये पूरा जो इशू है, पूरी जो फिल्म है, पूरी जो स्टोरी है, एक स्पेस पॉलिटिक्स बन जाती है. कि कैसे आपको एक टियर 2 सिटी में या टियर 1 सिटी में कैसे आपके हाउस में स्पेस इश्यूज हैं. ठीक है, अब इसमें मोहित के कैरेक्टर की जर्नी अलग से है कि उसको गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं है उसके पास, बट ही इज सो सेक्सुअली फ्रस्ट्रेटेड कि वो एक गर्लफ्रेंड इमेजिन करने लग जाता है. फिर वो डॉक्टर जो है वो उसको बताता है कि भाई दिस इज ऑल इन योर माइंड. उसको वो बांध के रख देते हैं एक जगह पे कि भाई वो इतना सेक्सुअली फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो चुका है. फिर जो डॉक्टर उसको देखने आता है, 2 लाइन में वो ऐसे 2 डायलॉग, इतने स्ट्रॉन्ग डायलॉग्स हैं कि वो पता लग जाता है कि वो डॉक्टर जो था वो बचपन में मोहित के कैरेक्टर को सेक्सुअली असॉल्ट करता था. ठीक है, तो कैसे उसकी बैक स्टोरी बनती है. फिर मोहित के कैरेक्टर का अगर वो जब वो मेंटली जो वो फेस कर रहा है, जब उसको सॉल्व करते हैं तो कैसे वो ऑनलाइन एनोनिमस प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे कैसे वो सेक्सटिंग करने लग जाता है एनोनिमस लोगों से, एंड एक बार वो फाइनली एक बंदी को बोलता है कि यार मिलते हैं ब्रो, दिस इज सच अ हार्ड हिटिंग सीन। वो एक बंदी जिससे एक एनोनिमस बंदी से बात कर रहा है, वो उसको बोलते हैं कि बहुत हो गया इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे बात करना, असली लाइफ में मिलते हैं। तो वो असली लाइफ में मिलने के लिए उसको एक जगह बुलाती है, वहाँ पे एक बहुत सुंदर लड़की आती है जो मोहित की कैरेक्टर की लीग के बहुत बाहर है। वो उसको देखती है, वो उसको देखता है, थोड़ी देर एक स्टेयर होता है एंड वो उठ के चली जाती है। दिस मेक्स मोहित रियलाइज कि हाउ अनवांटेड ही इज, हाउ नॉट गुड लुकिंग, हाउ अनअट्रैक्टिव।
बहुत डिप्रेसिंग हुई है यार ये तो।
ब्रो इतनी लेयर्ड फिल्म है, ठीक है। वो घर आता है, घर आके अपने आप को कमरे में बंद करता है, रोने लग जाता है, अपने आप को शीशे में देख के अपने चेहरे को नोच रहा है, ये है वो है। उसकी कज़न सिस्टर आती है उसको मनाने के लिए, उसको रोकने के लिए कि भाई तू खुद को क्यों हार्म कर रहा है, ये वो। ही इज सो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, सो फॉर लव that he starts kissing his sister. He's like कि the only affection that I'm getting right now is from here and that is where my outlet is gonna be. तो वो मतलब ऐसे phases by phases journey of this is one character. ऐसे ही father की एक छोटी journey है, mother की एक छोटी journey है, और कैसे घूम फिर के everything ties up to that space politics. घर कि वो घर में सबको बेसिकली अपना एक कमरा चाहिए, अपना एक स्पेस चाहिए.
So as you can tell, De De Pyar De 2 is
the movie to watch, man. Turns out De De Pyar De 2 is the movie to watch this weekend.
You can
What
tell
the
De De
hell?
Pyar De 2 is the more traumatizing movie.
Oh my god, dude. Shit, I'm not gonna sleep tonight, man. What the fuck is it? Agra, dude? What the fuck?
Bro, अभी ये तो मैंने आपको आई थिंक सिर्फ 20 मिनट बताए हैं 2 घंटे की फिल्म के.
भाई okay,
the film is crazy. It deals with toxic masculinity, it deals with the property issues, it deals with survival of the fittest. It's a proper मतलब film भाई. देखो जाके वो फिल्म अगर किसी मतलब तब तक लगी रही हॉल पे.
एक ही शो लगे हैं, वेडनेसडे के बाद तो शोज दिखा भी नहीं रहे हैं.
हाँ. So but bro, what a film. That's absolutely the film. अगर वो कहीं OTT पे आए या थिएटर में कहीं आप देख पाओ, definitely catch it.
okay, interesting, man.
Yeah.
So
So I mean the
Heavy.
I mean to say that the title of this episode is probably Bollywood loves mediocrity, but when something that is not mediocre comes,
Yeah, you don't give it
you
screens,
don't
dude.
give it a chance. Yeah.
because we don't love good stuff, man. We don't want things that make us think and all.
That's true.
Show a mirror to you, to
That is
society and
true,
life.
dude.
What the hell, dude?
Like every once in a while.
It's a lot easier. Look how lively the conversation was when you were shitting on. De De Pyar De 2. You see the tone of my voice?
साली क्या gaslight
Yeah.
करती है?
ये आगरा वाले. My mother from Agra, by the way.
अंतरिक्ष तो चुप ही हो गया भाई पूरी
Yeah,
conversation.
bro, I was like,
I'm
where do I insert a joke?
No, but I think the last thing we want to talk about is that out of all the mediocre things that have happened
Yeah.
this year, we were thinking by the end of the year, the one film we were looking forward to
Dude,
Was
Ranveer Singh, man.
Dhurandhar,
yeah.
Dude.
But apparently, if news reports are to be believed, Dhurandhar is
Which should not be believed in almost every case possible. Fuck you, media.
especially for people who are hospitalized.
Motherfucker.
Bro, what a thing that was, dude. What a thing.
Fuck, bro.
How is-
I think disrespectful, disgraceful.
Dude,
channel
dude,
बंद हो जाने चाहिए भाई.
Dude, the thing is, there is almost no doubt in my mind that the media knew the truth, that he's actually fine or whatever, alive and recovering.
Yeah.
Dharmender, there's no doubt in my mind that all these outlets who reported that he is no more.
Yeah,
knew that.
मतलब
Thought
all of them
that.
reported on a rumor.
How
What
is
the
that
fuck?
possible, dude? What is
I
this-
mean, there
what
must
is
have been
discourse?
one forward or some rumor
One
that
source,
must-
and
one
everyone
source.
hit
And
send on
they
the
all
obituaries.
wanted to be the first to break it.
Bro, that's the saddest. भाई
Yeah.
तुम्हें अबे सालों तुमसे जो एक्चुअल न्यूज है वो फर्स्ट करो ना ब्रेक करने के लिए.
Yeah, correct.
कैसे
So
भाई?
stupid, dude.
This is so tone deaf. I was so angry. भाई मैं
Bro,
क्या
Sunny was
बताऊं?
very
Bro,
layered, very
and
tempered himself,
justified,
dude.
bro.
Yeah, for sure. And he tempered himself, dude.
भाई
didn't
मार
lose it.
देना, कैमरे
Yeah.
तोड़ देने चाहिए थे
Correct.
भाई. कैसी
Correct, bro,
बातें
dude.
हैं
He
यार.
should have. Where was that hand pump when you needed to?
Bro, like
What the hell?
so like पता है we need to understand this कि हमारे लिए वो सुपरस्टार है, हमारे लिए वो धर्मेंद्र जी हैं, एक ऐसा जिसने पूरे दशक को क्या कहते हैं उसको पहचान दी है, ठीक है, बट उनके लिए वो उनका फादर है, dude.
Of course, yeah, dude.
Like it's a family member and
dude, people like, I think Javed Akhtar posted an obituary
Yeah,
saying ke, can you imagine that?
No, but dude, I mean,
But well, Dharmender got to know how people feel about him before he died. That's a good thing. Like Ross from Friends, you know.
I'm saying that that's the thing. No, even I shared this thing.
हाँ
a
आपने
photo
भी
of-
शेयर किया था.
Because when I googled
Media, dude, this guy.
when I
Fucking
googled
media, dude.
Dharmendra
This guy.
Times
हाँ,
of
bro,
India,
yeah,
Indian
yeah.
Express,
Yeah,
all the verified, quote unquote verified,
Quote unquote verified.
mainstream news
भाई,
pieces were reporting
आज
this.
तक ने तो अब उदित जी को फोन मिला दिया था. वो तो बातें कर रहे थे उदित जी से भाई.
Correct.
हमने
Okay, tell me this, okay? Is it the fault of the Paps who are standing outside, or is it the fault of the media outlets? The big media
Bro,
outlets?
media outlets,
Paps is the
man.
small guy, dude. Paps
Yeah,
is not the
yeah.
Paps fan.
Bro,
fault,
that's again that's what I'm saying. मुझे तो लगता है भाई, like okay, this can be a very personal take.
One second, but those are two separate things. Your
Yeah,
paps
exactly.
are insensitive enough to know that someone's father has died, and they still turn
They
up
photograph,
in
for
the
sure,
front of
for
your
sure, for
house
sure,
and be
for
like
sure, for sure, for
to
sure.
click photos and all.
For sure.
But media house तो यार तुम्हारा काम है
Verified news देना भाई.
Dude, and how difficult can this be? Verifying this, it must be the easiest thing
और
to verify.
भाई ऊपर से पता है, so like I know a lot of media houses जिनका basic policy है कि we don't report any such news जब तक फैमिली से
Yeah,
कोर्ट या
confirmation है,
कंफर्मेशन
हाँ.
या उनका स्टेटमेंट नहीं आ जाता. एंड दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली द वे टू गो अबाउट इट. यू
Yeah.
कैन नॉट बी सेइंग कि सोर्सेज से हमें पता लगा तो हमने न्यूज चला दी.
Yeah, stupid.
अबे नेशनल टेलीविजन भाई, आई एम सरप्राइज्ड सनी देओल डिडंट बीट पीपल अप outside his house.
Would be that's right.
Like he's anyway almost every time angry almost every time.
Have you seen Succession the show?
No, but I know what I mean. Yeah.
No,
तो
I've
उसके
been
I think
recommended.
पहले
though.
या दूसरे एपिसोड में ही है. So the
Dude, literally, Kirti told me that this whole Dharmender thing is like Succession, dude. You should watch it.
yeah, so the patriarch of the family is very similar situation. He's in hospital and is almost assumed that like he can go any moment. So the news channel that he owns, they've made a package of his obituary, but someone from the family has to approve it. Okay. तो वो बेटे को फोन करते हैं कि हमको पता है तुम्हारे पापा ऐसे हॉस्पिटल पर तेरा एक बार ये देख के अप्रूव कर दोगे.
छी यार, fucking
That's how the world works, man.
I don't know. It's
Sad.
just sad, dude.
It is sad.
Like
It is sad.
बाकी चीजों में वेरीफाई करके न्यूज बनो ना. लाइक द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू ब्रेक द न्यूज ऑन कि भाई एक्चुअल में यमुना जो है वो ठीक नहीं हुई थी, साइड में तालाब बना दिया था. ठीक है, बी द फर्स्ट वन टू ब्रेक दैट. वहां तो तुम जाके पूछ रहे हो कि भाई ये बिस्लेरी जैसा पानी है. अबे क्या ही बोलने का ना यार.
Anyway, we were talking about Dhurandhar.
हाँ, fuck bro, I'm sorry. I just क्या है.
So if reports are to be believed, Dhurandhar will now be split in two parts.
Yeah.
Dhur Andar and Dhur Bahar. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That was my time. I was sitting on that joke.
Wow, the entire episode, dude.
I had to
The
sit through the entire
episode,
Dharamji fiasco.
Nice, man.
So I can crack that
Nice,
joke.
dude. Nice.
That's Abbas having sex. Dhur andar, dhur bahar, dhur
Yeah,
andar,
it's Dur Rander and Dur Walk
What?
Bar. Dur Run Dar Dur Walk Bar.
Mine was funnier, guys.
Of course it was a bus.
But thoughts, guys. Apparently the run time of the cart is 3 hours.
Oh, you mean Dur Run time?
Oh, please drop it, please. Quit while you're ahead, which you never were.
That's so stupid.
So 3 hour 30-minute film has been
Dur
split
Run
into
time
two.
is the funniest.
Thoughts, guys.
No.
That's what I read. The 3 hour 30
It's not being
minute film.
split. I think the story is being split
Yeah.
into.
Story's been split into as in?
Like they were.
3 घंटे की पिक्चर एक, फिर 3.5 घंटे, मतलब फिर उसके बाद एक और
So
दूसरी.
they are
picture.
re-editing the movie, and instead of one 3 hour 30-minute movie, they're trying to make it into two hour movies or 2 hour 10-minute
Okay,
movies.
okay, that could be it.
Yeah.
But yeah, regardless, what it does for me is this news dampens my excitement because now I feel like the story I'm gonna see in December is not gonna be a complete story, and that does not
Bro,
entice
how
me
is that
enough.
any different from when you go and watch a Thor movie? You know it's not gonna close. It's gonna pay
But-
off in Avengers.
Correct, but it's gonna
right?
close that movie.
So maybe Dhurandhar 1 will
I
do
hope
that.
it does that. But dude,
Bro,
like,
लेकिन
what
लग
we-
लग नहीं रहा वैसे.
it's gonna be one one campaign or one this thing, right?
mission
One
or
mission or
The
something. Right?
decision to do it so late is what is.
Are you sure it was? They didn't plan to do this in the beginning, and they just announced that they're
No,
going to
that's
do
what
this.
I.
अनाउंस तो आज ही हुआ है,
Yeah.
आज ही
आज ही हुआ है कि ये शायद 2 पिक्चर अभी भी
And this is
रिपोर्टेड है,
official. Okay, okay.
रिपोर्टेड
Official नहीं
है.
है, okay.
अभी तो इनके कैरेक्टर पोस्टर्स ही आ रहे हैं.
Dhurandhar has been facing a lot of issues when it comes to release. I think it was supposed to release in October or November, but the release has already been
No, I
pushed.
don't. I think it was already December.
नहीं पहला नहीं था, रिलीज पहले नहीं थी, बट इसकी शूटिंग में काफी प्रॉब्लम्स आई हैं. आई थिंक इसके सेट पे पूरे यूनिट को फूड पॉइजनिंग हो गया था, एटसेट्रा
This was
एटसेट्रा.
the movie, or?
आई थिंक दिस वाज द
I
मूवी.
remember this happened to a recent movie in the.
Yeah, I
shooting,
think
yeah.
this was the film.
That's wild, dude.
But a recent example. where-
उन्होंने चिंग्स खा लिया होगा.
ब्रो अगर आप रणवीर सिंह की फिल्मोग्राफी गूगल करो तो उसकी फिल्मोग्राफी में जो चिंग्स
Ching ad.
चाइनीज का जो एड है वो उसकी फिल्मोग्राफी में आता है dude.
वो बहुत मस्त है वो भाई.
हाँ बहुत मस्त है, नो डाउट.
I was saying a recent example of where this didn't work. Part 1, Part 2 was
Nishanchi.
Anurag Kashyap's movie, where they didn't announce that it's going to be a 2-parter. People who went to watch the first part realized that it's going to be a second part. But the film made so less money that
Yeah.
now Amazon Prime has dumped it on Amazon Prime Video along with Nishanchi Part 1.
Oh, Nishanchi and Nishan Yum. Stupid. Sorry, boss.
No, I'm done. I don't think I have anything else to say.
That was it.
But
निशान ची एंड निशान यम के बाद अब
Yeah, what the hell?
yeah, apparently it wasn't that yummy for
Yeah.
the filmmakers. So if Dhurandhar 1, for example, doesn't do well, then that
ब्रो देयर इज नो चांस धुरंधर 1 डजंट डू वेल.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है यार. नो चांस कोई चीज
Dude,
का नहीं होता.
exactly, dude. You never know.
Yeah.
हमें लग रहा है hype है, but I feel like it's very easy.
It may get a good opening, but if it's not well received, then
Yeah.
it puts Part 2 into a jeopardy. Right?
Agreed.
Then all you know, it's gonna show up on Netflix
Yeah.
someday.
I
Brahmastra.
really hope it is good.
Yeah, Brahmastra
I
is
want
another
Ranveer Singh to have a good movie out there.
Why does he,
after a while.
pay you?
Well, I like the guy, dude. I want him to do well. because I
रणवीर
like the
के
actor.
पेड पीआर समोसा क्रिटिक
अबे साले तू
एसआरके की चाटने वाले.
हाँ भाई. I would say Dhurandhar, I hope is good, but this definitely does dampen my spirits at least a little bit for the movie.
Why aren't you like, oh, more Dhurandhar?
Why aren't you like धुरंधर?
Dhurandhar. I don't know, man. It's just
धुरंधर अंदर ही अंदर.
nice.
अगर आप अब तक ये एपिसोड देख रहे हैं तो हमें आपके टेस्ट
you
पे
are the
बहुत
problem.
शक है. आप मस्ती 4 देख लो जाके.
Yeah,
That might have better jokes.
for sure.
No, I can tell you this is
वो
better.
मस्ती वाले हमारा एपिसोड देख रहे होंगे कि ये साले हमें बोल रहे हैं, शर्म नहीं आती.
मिलाप डीएम कर रहा है, कह रहा तुम साले तुम जज कर रहे हो मेरी राइटिंग को.
कि what was the song
Hey,
again?
when is the Diavol this thing party that you're
21st.
going for? Oh, you should vlog it on our channel.
Is that allowed?
I don't know.
ठीक है अगर हुई तो why not.
Yeah.
अब तूने बोल दिया तो करना पड़ेगा और cut this out. I don't know what to do.
मतलब I'll try.
Okay, we'll
Or
try
tell us
guys.
about the experience.
Yeah,
that you come
obviously
on
I'll
वो तो
do.
करेगा ही, हाँ.
A lot of films are also releasing on the 21st. एक वो आ रही है finally. फरहान अख्तर का भी तो कमबैक हो रहा है. 120 बहादुर.
Bro, I saw Dede Pyade 2 yesterday in theaters, and just before that I saw you know, like PVR does this thing where they will show our lineup for November.
हाँ.
Okay, or
Yeah.
our lineup for December or whatever, right? And they'll show like the small clips from every movie that's coming up in November,
Yeah.
right? And they were showing this one scene from 120 Bahadur where Farhan is screaming, like talking to his troops to hype them up. He's like, "Tum jante ho," and he's like,
तुम जानते हो ऐसा.
अच्छा.
तुम जानते हो नहीं बोल
"Oh
सकता
yeah,
वो.
tum jante ho." We can Dumbledore, dude. We can Dumbledore. Dad, I'm jante okay. But he's doing like his face is like shaking too much. He's doing like extra overacting.
Ah,
It seems
Hrithik.
like, yeah, he's doing the Hrithik type
Yeah.
overacting, which only suits Hrithik, dude.
Fair.
You know,
I
so
agree.
you don't do that, Farhan.
Yeah, I'm
It
not
seems like
excited for that movie at all.
I'm not. I
But would
wanted
you
to
not
be.
go and watch it?
I will. I think I will. But I want to be excited for
I
it.
have
But I
a
don't
feeling
think I
you'll
am.
make us watch it for this show.
वैसे तो जैसा बड़ा
Abbas,
बोली हुई पिक्चरें
Abbas,
देखते हो.
better that than Dede Pyar De too.
हाँ.
What are you
I watched
talking about?
the other one, the Sriram Raghavan one. 21 what?
21 हाँ.
it's called.
बताओ
हाँ,
कमाल
yeah.
की बात है 21 नवंबर को रिलीज नहीं हो रही वो.
I know.
No, 22 को हो रही है.
वो आई थिंक क्रिसमस वीकेंड पे है 25 दिसंबर को.
Oh, इतना दूर.
21 और 25. Oh.
हाँ. बट डू यू थिंक दैट ये जो आखिरी के 2 महीने हैं दे आर मोर पैक्ड than the entire year that we've gotten?
Snehal, like the 2 times you've asked us before this episode started, no, we don't
I'm
think
not
that.
excited for any of these movies.
Bro, but like सारी जो बड़ी मेजर पिक्चर
कोई
है
बड़ी पिक्चर नहीं है इनमें से,
Bhai,
I'm sorry.
see, I hope Dhurandhar is.
Bro, Dhurandhar is a big film.
But what else is going? Do you think is going to earn the big bucks? Unless it knocks it out of the park. I don't think 21 is going to knock it out of the park. I don't think 120 Bahadur is going to knock it out of the park.
नहीं सही होगी यार.
Yeah, I hope. Again, that's the hope. But I don't know, man. See, I feel like what will happen inevitably to movies like 21 and 120 Bahadur. 120 Bahadur, the trailer doesn't seem like they are going the full jingoistic route. Okay, but there are definitely jingoistic elements.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
मतलब हाँ.
and so what will inevitably happen?
उसको हम लोग जिंगो मतलब उतना like
Correct, you're right.
jingoistic is different.
To term it, yeah,
Yeah,
maybe it's a
to
strong.
call it jingoistic is a
word,
strong
yes. You're
word,
right. You're
yeah.
right. But the thing is, I feel it is gonna happen that the second the movie they feel like the buzz is not as much or it's not doing as well, they will easily turn that angle up in the
Yeah.
promotions of it, and that'll so that
कि जवानों को
so
support
people
करने के लिए
think
they'll do special screenings for army men and
Exactly, they
everything.
do that every
They'll
time.
make a
They
after
always
movie
do
out
that.
of that.
Dude,
And then
तो नहीं
you'll have
एक second,
army
तो
people
तो
saying,
problem
yeah,
क्या है?
100%.
Problem नहीं है, then that means
Problem
your film,
wrong
your
answer.
film, organically your film is not working. So you're manipulating
रॉन्ग
them.
आंसर. प्रॉब्लम ये है कि वो लड़की है. और क्या प्रॉब्लम है? प्रॉब्लम ये है कि आप लोगों ने नहीं देखी क्या प्यार का वंचना?
देखिए पर
अच्छा ओके.
Now what
भुला
to
दी
say?
थी हमने.
now what to say?
लव रंजन को इतना शिट करके फिर तू प्यार का पंच.
अरे तो मैं कहाँ कह रहा हूँ प्यार का वंचनामा क्लासिक पिक्चर
a
है.
lot of loves this episode, man. Love Ranjan, love Visa, love.
At this point we're just rambling on.
Okay, thank you guys.
Yeah, thank you for tuning in till the very end. Like I mentioned, please join our memberships. We have
Yes.
2 tiers. We have salted and caramel. You get free movie tickets
For both the tiers.
For both the tiers.
If you watch-
become members.
If you watch the episode till here, let us know what career advice you would give Ajay Devgan. Let us know in the
ऑल्सो
comments.
दोस्तों अगर आप गिव अवे जीतते हो तो मैसेज करके टिकट तो मांगो.
टिकट मांगो और यार देख ले तो मूवी तो एक 30 सेकंड का वीडियो
मतलब मुझे बताओ तो सही कि हाँ हम जीत गए हैं कि और हमें कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हो सकता है हॉल में ऐसी पिक्चर कोई ना लगी हो जो आपको देखनी हो. ऐसा हुआ भी है रिसेंटली. तो मैं आपको टिकट का पैसा जीपे कर देता हूँ यार.
Bro, what if someone wins this thing, like one of the
The
tickets
giveaway,
or the
yeah.
thing, the giveaway, and they don't watch the episode?
ब्रो हाई चांसेस.
High chances?
हाई चांसेस.
ऐसा तो नहीं होना चाहिए भाई.
मतलब हाँ हो सकता है बट देन अगेन अगर तुम मेंबर हो
If you're
और
a
तुम
member,
नहीं
yeah,
देख
we're
रहे हो
expecting you
तो
to
या
win.
आई वुड एक्सपेक्ट
Anyway, if you watch it later also message us. We'll
हाँ प्लीज
figure
बिकॉज
something out.
आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ हमने अभी तक यार 2-3 एपिसोड में तो किया ही है.
हाँ.
आई थिंक ओनली 3 पीपल हाँ किया है फिर तो लोगों ने मैसेज बट सबने नहीं किया है. लाइक नॉट
करो ना यार.
हाँ
क्या नहीं चाहिए फ्री मूवीज?
हाँ हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बट लाइक आई वुड वांट कि अगर हम लोग एक चीज कर रहे हैं तो आप लोग मैसेज करो, टिकट लो, एंजॉय करो, पिक्चर
Yes.
देखो.
Any plugs guys before we end?
Sorry?
Any plugs before we end?
Plugs, the same. Check out the comment section. My interview with Siddharth Shetty is out. I was also on Cyrus's
Siddharth
news show.
Shetty
Siddharth
है वही
the
comedian.
एक लादी पाव वाला.
अरे
उसके साथ एक एपिसोड है and I was on Cyrus Says the podcast and I was also on News Caustic the
Yeah, I've been on
news
News
show that
Caustic.
Cyrus show. We both have been there.
Yeah.
So
He's the same guy, no? Hey, where are you?
Fuck you avocado.
Fuck you avocado.
Yeah,
Yes, I
that
remember
guy.
that. Yes.
So check out those things. They're all on my Instagram.
He's funny.
And
Check out That Filmy Game Show. I just dropped an episode with Tarang Hardikar and Abish Matthew.
How's the episode doing?
Episode's doing all right, but it's one of the funniest episodes ever, dude.
yeah, so do
And-
your thing.
Yeah. Everyone in the comments is like, dude, I couldn't stop laughing. One of the comments is
Lovely.
one of my favorites. One of my favorite comments was, the last time I had such a fun time was when 2 supremely fun Bolly nerds were on the show. This time, these two guys know next to nothing about Bollywood, but I've not stopped laughing throughout. Okay,
Nice.
so please watch that episode. Hilarious. You'll have a great time.
Nice.
Alright.
Anything you want to plug, Snehal?
No, yaar, please subscribe to the channel. Please become a member, and we are trying to add more and more perks. So yeah, that's pretty much it.
Last thing before we go, tell us in the comments which one is funnier, Masti 1 or Kya Cool Hai Hum 1.
Or Masti 4. But we should always remember, पहले की थी मस्ती, फिर हुई ग्रैंड मस्ती, फिर ग्रेट ग्रैंड मस्ती, अब होगी मस्ती 4.
End.